immigrants, if you get a notice to appear, don't freak out. Don't get too worried and say, I'm just going to leave the country. I'm going to self-deport. It doesn't mean that all of a sudden you're going to get automatically deported, okay? What is a notice to appear, oftentimes known as an NTA? It's a notice sent by immigration court saying you have to go to court on this date, at this time, at this location, because the government is charging you with removability. Okay, removability means that those are the grounds that they're going to say you have to leave the United States. It could be that you came on a visit visa and overstayed. It could be that you had a case that was filed for you. It got denied. It could be that they're accusing you of some sort of crime, some basis for removability. It could also be fraud or some other illegal activity that you could be involved in that may not necessarily be a crime and so forth in certain states, all right? So you got to be really careful and understand what the reason is, because the reason is going to be the basis of your defense. All right. Everybody who goes to immigration court has the right to get their own immigration attorney, immigration counsel, and fight their case and have the ability to go before a judge. All right. Now, a lot of immigrants are scared. They're like, hey, what's this expedited removal? People are being grabbed in immigration court. Many people in the United States are not going to be subject to expedited removal, because those people subject to expedited removal are people who came maybe in the last 2 years. All right. So I have a client who's been here for more than 20 years. He got an NTA. He's worried about what his options are. And I'm telling him to fight his case because he could do cancellation of removal. He's married to an American citizen. We could try the adjustment of status option as well. You know, if he came on a inspected, let's say a visa and so forth. Even people who came years ago without inspection, that entered by crossing the border or some other way, let's say on somebody else's passport, there's even options for them to get a waiver. Maybe they're even married to a military family member. They can do parole in place and do adjustment of status in immigration court. What I'm trying to say to you guys is that protect yourself, understand the process. Just because you're sent a notice to immigration court in removal proceedings doesn't mean all of a sudden ICE is going to come and grab you, put you on a plane and fly you out of the United States. All right, guys, that's really important. Understand this document. Go to a lawyer who knows who's going to help you fight the document, because I win a lot of cases in immigration court by either doing adjustment of status, filing a motion to terminate, dismiss, and, basically trying to figure out what's the option for you. All right, guys, good luck to you all.